Hi, I'm James Samana, founder of Insightful Path and co-chair of the Government Facilitators Community of Practice. Whether you're a facilitator or one who's looking to benefit from the services of a facilitator, the session that I'll be running will give you information on how a facilitator can connect with purpose, connect with their meaning, the craft and the art of facilitation to enable whomever we serve to get more out of what it is that they're doing. Over my 30 plus years of facilitation, as a leadership development expert who's skilled in public service craft, I have a passion for helping others connect with purpose. I've met so many amazing facilitators who've been able to take their passion, their experience, their history, and apply it to helping others do what they do better. Our ability to connect with purpose matters deeply. We're able to sell the engagement, assist our participants in moving through a process, teach or facilitate a learning session, or even just facilitate a meeting in a way that's effective and efficient. Every facilitator I've ever met has had a story, some journey that brought them to the path, the art, the craft of facilitation. I hope to see you in my workshop at the International Association of Facilitators Oceania Conference here in Canberra from the 15th to the 17th of May, 2023. I look forward to seeing you and hearing what your insightful path has been.